Can I pet that dog? Are you wondering this is a dog or a pig? Well, he's a husky for sure, but a bit fat. But what I want to focus here is that every time he hears the shaver, he obediently hides himself in a corner like this.
Oh no!
I don't know I own huskies or they own me. None of them listens to me. I'm about to get mad. Okay, right. Just go straight this way. Oh my gosh, no, they just stop. Do you want to pitch a tent and camp here? I'm stuck here again. So depressed. When you anger your girlfriend and you have to go to her house to comfort her.
Do you want to go for a... Do you want to go for a walk?
Everyone has a bad day like this, right? Hope that every day in December of yours is bright and happy. Glad you're still here. If you have a husky, don't hesitate to share your experiences with us in the comment box below. And don't forget to motivate us by liking, sharing the video and subscribing to the channel. Thank you and see you again.